Hello, everyone. This is Beverly Black. And how is everyone doing today? Today, I am doing a review for this Zonli comforter. My bed is a king size bed. So, this is a huge comforter. It is good for if you have hot flashes. Oh my goodness. This is the comforter you need to know about. So stay tuned and learn more about this comforter. Let me tell you a little bit about this comforter. The secret to the coolest comforter in the world. This comforter provides the ultimate sleep experience with a combination of natural and advanced material. Bamboo fabric to provide a luxurious softness and breathable, along with the innovative cooling technology that helps regulate your body temperature and helps you to fall asleep. Now, I was showing you, let me bring you up closer so you can see this bamboo right here on this side. And it is very cooling to sleep on. Let me get you a closer, you see, look of it. There it is. You see that? Bring it back. And I'm going to tell you the story of how this comforter came about. It is very, very interesting. Let me find it. In 2021, Peak and the proprietor of Zonli confronted a difficult personal situation when his mother was diagnosed with breast cancer, which led to severe insomnia and exhaustion after chemotherapy. To alleviate her pain, Peak, that's the son, collaborated with sleep experts and production teams to devise a cooling blanket made from soft, breathable materials that regulate body temperature and provides comfort following chemotherapy treatment. The mother was the initial recipient of the blanket, which he cherished, and he called it Z Magic. All this happened prompt Pete to generate further healthy sleep products for individuals with sleep problems. Peak wishes to use technology combined with natural material in the future so that everyone can enjoy healthy sleep forever. And name of this company is Zoe, Zonli. And I have slept on this. I wanted to sleep on it a couple of days before I did this review. And it is comfortable. I have slept so good. It comes in several different colors, but this bamboo lining is everything. I will have all the information in the description for those who are having hot flashes and those who are going through different therapies or struggling at night to get cool and need to be comfortable. You need to try This, you can call it a comforter or a blanket. Some people just take it in the living room with them and just lay, on their sofa with it. However you want to do, or whichever way you want to use it. But this is a very, very comfortable blanket or comforter. So please check it out. I will have all the information down below in my description. And thank you so much for sharing with me today for this review of this comforter. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Come on and join the family. Be a part of us over here at Beverly Black.